This, I think, should be declared the official hangover cure. It works wonders, but in other circles, it's used in cooking, and it adds so much flavor in your food. This is beef broth. The ingredients are bones, carrots, onions, ginger, garlic. You can add in anything else in your pantry. The more you add, the more flavor you get. To start off, place your already washed bones in a sufuria, then add in other ingredients and some thyme. Add in some chili for the kick, rosemary, black pepper, salt to taste, and use a big sufuria so you can add water to the brim. Then let it boil for about 2 hours or more. The health benefits for this are endless, and when you add it to your rice, stews, soups, it transforms your whole meal. It's definitely something you should make and store for future use, and have a glass of it every other day for its benefits. The flavors in this are just out of this world. Enjoy.